Ow, my BJ.
Gearbox is in already, so I'm just busy assembling the rest of this. And the bottom end, yeah, that's not the sum for this car, but okay, we'll make it work. And then I'm not using the new hydraulic lifters, I'm using the OEM ones. They're already basically soaking. They're already soaking in oil. Yeah, I sometimes have an issue with those ones, man, so I'll just put the OEM ones back. Yeah, the process of assembly and cleaning, it's a long process. I did say I'm gonna film everything, but yeah, ons kappa weer in. The wheels is off, the gearbox is in. I'm just finishing up this and we're putting the into car in, and then throwing the whole block assembly in, and then we can cap on. See ya, Ashik. I've been using Cubon for the past year already. I think I have another 3 or 4 in the cupboard here. But yeah, I've been using Cubon for a while now. Damn, ain't that pretty? Nice and fresh. New layer clutch. Block's been dipped. Block's been re-sleeved. Now we're busy doing the assembly. I gaan weer die blok aangooi nou. Dit is klaar geassemble. Klaar die engine by geskrob. Engine by clean. Gearbox is in. And once the block's in, the rest of it's quick. But we need to get the block in first now. Only the GSI owns will know what that means now. As a 1.6 setup.
Pero as hom uit môre as hy reg vir jou 'n bietjie klaar. Hy wag sommer vir girlie. Hy weet jy laat jy gaan vir girlie wag net om vir Apa te skik.
Yeah, same day now. Same day, she's in. I'm gonna go for key now. She might make a lot of sounds now. Alles is van nou terug, man. Van nou alles loop weer. We're basically done. The motor's in. The starter was in, it's back out. And this is also happening now because I have to replace this piece of harness. Because that piece of harness there is burnt. So the moment we put the terminals on, then this thing arcs. Look here. Look at that thing burnt. So, yeah. The live wire on this thing, not just that. Look how thin this live wire is. So we're going to put a thicker gauge in now. And hopefully that sorts that shit out. But yeah, ons wil gestart het. Nou, ek wil net gestart het as al ek gesaai laat het. But I'm like 2 hours over the time already. I think it's like almost 8 already. I was gonna leave at 6. But yeah, motor's assembled. Alles is daar so. Everything's on its place. It's net of ons nou ready om my key te draai nou. But yeah. Ons gaan bereik daar nie. First start. Must buy a gasket, yes. Must buy a gasket. I'm just letting her idle first. This is our first start. I think it's 9:30 now. What time is it now? 9:05. I had to replace the whole cable. That is burnt out. The cable's laying here. There's it. That's not enough gauge. There's 3 pieces that's burnt on this cable. There. So yeah, ons kan nie so start nie, man. Wat is idle? Zijn met warm idle? Ja, hydraulics moet nog vol al op en alles. That's a fast start idle. He's only got like 1.5 exhaust boxes on, so it's loud. It's gonna be loud. Putting temperature into the motor now. It's not even quarter way yet. We just started it. Don't mind the lights. We still got a few electrical gremlins, but the wiring is a bit better. I think she still needs a monster earth cable also. This is not OEM, so that will give us an issue. Waiting for the fans to go on now. It's approaching 90. It's on 90 actually. So just past 90 or at 100 should go on. I think I know what that is already. Tires earth, you know, tires. Fans mo na aankan, tires earth. Kala ko eh.
Ja.
It's like 10 o'clock at night. Yeah, we got there.